So today I decided we're going to do a kind of a remodel just of a section of our house. We have the shoe storage area, and we're gonna do a build and remodel of that tiny part of the house. I'll show you what it looks like, the before, and then what we're gonna be using.
Hey y'all, what's up?
This is what it looks like. This is it before. It's actually two shoe racks. The small one down here, and then there's a shoe rack behind it as well. But this is very slippery, so the shoes don't stay on it as well. So that's why I wanted to switch it out. Alright, this is from Target, Room Essentials. This is the new shoe rack that we're going to be building today. I'm really excited. So it has all the materials. It comes with instructions, which are really just pictures, but it tells you what should be in the box. And then I have everything laid out on the table. So we're gonna start building, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Here is the final product. It looks awesome. I really like it. This is it from the side. And this is this side. And it does come with wheels. You can turn it around, which I really like. This is this side. So this is pretty good. It holds a lot of shoes.